Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to invite friends on your Instagram. So if you want to invite a user on Instagram, you can do it by yourself or by your contact or by email. Let me show you how you will invite a user on Instagram. First you need to click on the three-line icon at the top right corner, and here you need to click on the setting option. Under setting option you need to click on follow and invite. Now you can see that there is option called follow contacts, invite by email, invite by SMS or invite by link. So you can choose either of these options, and you can use WhatsApp in order to invite your friend, or you can use your follow contacts or email in order to invite your friend. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to invite your friend on your Instagram app. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.